Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia, and in today's video it's time for me to get my curls back. I've had this silk press for over 4 weeks now, and it's time. My hair yes, it's poofy on the root. And I really enjoyed this silk press style, but I miss my curls. I can't wait to get it back. And I'm just a little worried because, you know, I don't silk press my hair often. And I just want to make sure that my curls get back to what it is and that I don't have any heat damage. And I'm praying and hoping that I don't. So for this wash day, I'm just going to separate my hair into 4 sections. And I'm actually going to pre-poo before I go in with the shampoo. And the reason why I'm going to pre-poo is because I don't want to shock my hair with water, you know, and just throw water in there. I want to love on it section by section and revert the curls back. So I'm going to get this conditioner from Design Essentials. I think it's the almond butter conditioner. I'll leave it in my description box. And section by section, I'm going to first wet my hair with the water. Again, I'm not going to drench it all at once. I'm going to slowly, you know, put the water in my hair, drench my hair with the water, and then apply the conditioner. And I want to literally watch my curls revert. Okay. This method, it doesn't have to be done by everyone. I mean, it's your preference, but I actually really like doing it this way because I feel like I get to go into each section and, you know, observe my hair and love it and care for it and watch the curls revert. Okay. I was getting a little nervous because I'm like, wait a minute. My curls aren't reverting, but then I realized, you know what? Give it some time, my dear. Relax, okay? Relax. Love on it some more. Apply more water, conditioner, and slowly but surely, my hair did begin to revert back to the curls. All right. So, yeah, I was nervous, but it wasn't bad at all. No, not only wasn't it bad, my curls reverted back, guys. Okay. As you can see here, curls are looking good. I still have some straight pieces because I feel like my hair wasn't totally drenched with water, but we'll get to that. Okay. So I'm going to go to the next section and distribute the water into my hair, into my strands. I'm going to run my fingers through my hair, making sure that the water gets to all of my strands. And then I'm going to put the conditioner in this section as well. Yeah, I actually enjoyed this. So I think I'm going to pre-poo more often. I usually don't. I usually just go in with my shampoo. But I actually like the way my hair feels after applying the conditioner to each section. All right, here's another close-up of my curls and me applying more water. I love this little spritz spray thingy. I'll leave it in my description box. I think I got this from, Amazon. I did. Check out my description box for this. I just like the way it missed the how you say it? Yeah, the way it missed the water throughout my strands, y'all. And look at my curls. They're reverting back. I really do love my hair, guys. Our hair is so versatile. Like, it's crazy to me, like how we can pretty much do whatever we want, you know? I did enjoy the silk press. Oh, up here, I started to get really nervous because I was like, why is my hair so stringy? Where are my curls? What's going on? But all I had to do was apply more conditioner, y'all. And it reverted, okay? And my roots were so poofy because I sweat in the scalp. So, you know, I didn't have an issue with the roots. It's just the ends I wanted to make sure reverted back, okay? And you'll see that it did. But like I was saying, I really did enjoy the silk press. I'm going to do it maybe twice a year, like I've mentioned before. Check out those videos, y'all. My silk press experience and also how I maintain the silk press. I'll leave those videos either on the screen or in my description box as well. Another close-up of these lovely curls as they are reverting back. Okay. My hair felt so soft and great, actually. I'm like, okay, YD, okay. You're doing all right. And yeah, this is the last section that I had to do. And don't worry, guys, I do have a bathing suit on. I'm not in the shower naked on YouTube. No. I had a bathing suit on. But yeah, so watch as these curls start to revert back. I was pleasantly satisfied, honestly, with this pre-poo experience. And that's why I'm going to incorporate that into my regimen. Because my hair loved it. And here's a close-up of the final section. Hair feeling good, soft. detangled. I didn't even detangle really much, but I was able to run my fingers through my hair without it like snagging or ripping my hair out. And then, as usual, I'm gonna rinse the conditioner out of my hair so that I can go in with my shampoo. And look at my hair. My hair is super soft still. I love this conditioner. Check out my description box for this. I think it did a great job with moisturizing my hair and also making it soft and, getting it ready for the shampoo. Next, I'm going to go in with the oat protein and henna deep cleansing shampoo. The reason why I went with a deep cleansing shampoo from Design Essentials is because I wanted to get rid of any product I had in my hair from the silk press, like my the heat protectant I had a lot. I know oil probably built up in my scalp. This shampoo felt so good. What I love the most about the shampoo is that look at the lather. This is my first shampoo. I usually get this lather from other shampoos after the second go round. You know what I mean? But this is the first shampoo, and the lather that I got from it was just like superb. Like what? Yeah, and I feel like this shampoo does a really great job of deep cleaning your hair, making sure to get into my scalp, to get rid of any dandruff or product buildup from the silk press, okay? Again, my hair really, really loves this shampoo. I enjoy it. I think from the Design Essentials line, I'm going to be purchasing more products from them because I feel like their products work really, really well with my 4C hair, okay? I'm just showing you guys what my hair is looking like with the shampoo in it. And I'm going to, of course, rinse this out and go in with a second shampoo. You guys know the drill. I like to shampoo my hair twice. I feel like with this shampoo, shampooing twice is not necessary, but I just like to go in with a second shampoo just to make sure I get it as clean as possible. And I like that this shampoo, it deep cleans without stripping all of the moisture from my hair. I feel like my hair was still kind of moisturized, yeah, after a deep cleaning. My hair felt so good. I know my scalp loves this shampoo as well. And you guys know I usually wash my hair in the sink in my kitchen. But for YouTube purposes, I was like, you know what? Let me get in the shower and show you guys my hair reverting. But you know what? After the silk press, I think I still would have washed my hair in the shower because I wanted my hair to revert. And I prefer to do that standing up than to be bending over a sink. You know what I mean? So yeah, this worked out. My hair is super duper clean, as you can see here, just showing you guys a close up. And I'm just going to section my hair. Once again, this is a long process. Not that long, but yeah. I'm going to take this rosemary and mint conditioner, deep conditioner from Design Essentials. Everything pretty much I used today was from Design Essentials. I'm going to distribute this conditioner into my hair. I like using this as my deep conditioner because the mint stimulates my scalp and it feels so refreshing on my scalp, guys. I love it. I didn't like it the first time I used it, but now I do. Okay, and as you can see, it helps me detangle each section. It did a great job with helping me detangle. My hair is super soft, so I apply this to each section and then I twist and put it away and move on to the next section. I like to take my time when it comes to my conditioning because I feel like this is one of the most important steps in your wash day and also one of the most important steps for reverting your hair back to curls because you want to make sure your curls are soft and nourished and loved on. And I feel like this conditioner does a great job with that. So I'm just going to distribute this. As you can see, my hair is super soft, right? And detangle. All right, and guys, what I did was I put my my plastic bag over my hair for about, I want to say 10-15 minutes as I did the rest of my shower routine. Okay, I didn't step out the shower for this. I just left it in my hair while I, showered and shaved, etc. Okay, and so this is what my hair is looking like after I rinsed a deep conditioner out of my hair. Looks like, yeah, my curls reverted back beautifully. My 4C hair is back to being shrunken. Like, I love it. Shrinkage is not a bad thing because it's an indication that you don't have heat damage, okay? I don't think I got any heat damage at all. My hair is 100% reverted back to curls. I didn't get any heat damage. I didn't experience anything. Yeah, and I'm just super happy with the results. So guys, make sure to check out my description box for all of my previous videos on my silk press experience. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all of my social media, especially Instagram, y'all. And you can check that out in my description box as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Till next time, bye.